Hey guys, welcome to Addition and Subtraction. Okay, following from our base 10 discussion, let's say we have 2 suitcases and 3 apples, and a very friendly fellow comes over to us and gives us, which we're going to symbolize with addition, another 4 suitcases and another 2 spare apples. So we add up our spare apples, that's 3 plus 2. We have 5 apples, and we add up the suitcases, we have a total of 6 suitcases. So now we have 65 apples in total. Let's take another example. We have person A, person B, and C. Person A has 3 cars and 1 spare apple. Person B has 1 car, 1 suitcase, and 2 spare apples. And person C just has 7 apples. Well, okay, let's add up our apples. So first we look at our spares. We have 7, 8, 9, 10 spare apples. Well, we can't very well fit the number 10 here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a suitcase, and we're going to put a 0 here because we have no more spare apples, and we're going to add a suitcase to this column. So now A had 0 suitcases, B had 1, and now we just made another suitcase, so we have 1 and 1, a total of 2 suitcases. And then we see over here clearly we have 4 cars, and now we have a total of 420 apples. Moving over to subtraction, if we had 326 apples, let's say, and somebody came along and wanted 2 suitcases and 1 apple. Well, we had 6 spares and we're giving away only 1. So now we have 5 apples. We had 2 suitcases. We're giving them both away. So we have 0 suitcases left. And we still have 3 cars. So now we have a total of 305 apples remaining. Well, this is going to get a little more complicated because if we have 421 apples. Let's look at this horrific example. Someone comes along and says, I'd like 1 car of apples, 6 suitcases, and 3 spare apples. Well, this is a nightmare. Let's see what we can do. We have only 1 apple. We can't give 3 away. So what we're going to do is we're going to bust out the old axe, slice a suitcase in half. So we only have 1 suitcase left. And we're going to take the 10 apples from that busted suitcase, and we're going to add them over here. So now we have a total of 11 spare apples. Well, we're going to give away 3 of those. So now we're going to have a total of 8 spare apples left. But now when we get to the suitcase column, we have a problem. We only have 1 suitcase, and we want to give away 6 suitcases. So we are going to yet again bust out the old axe, and we are going to chop up one of the cars. So now we have only 3 cars remaining, but from that car that we broke open, 10 suitcases spilled out. So now we have 11 suitcases. We're giving away 6 of them, so we are now going to have 5 suitcases left over. There were 3 cars now. We gave away 1, so we have 2 cars. We now have 258 apples remaining. The system we saw on top, where we had too many, so we pushed them over, people call that carrying the 1. We're actually moving them over. This is a very cool product of the base 10 number system. Because we have such a cool system, we can do that, and it's really neat. Same thing over here for borrowing, where we didn't have enough over here, so we broke 1 up and pulled 10 over. That's because we have the base 10 number system. We can do something like this. It's so cool. It's really easy to compute once you understand how it works, and I'll see you guys in the next video.